Good evening, friend. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are discussing one more interesting topic, and the name of the topic is airport. Okay, we understand first what is the definition of airport. Airport is not simply the thing that where the flight is came, arrival and departure, and not it's a terminal. It's a very big and milestone for every country. So we can say that, for example, if a small town or a small village and a small city in India, if this means airport and terminal is directly connected with the major city like the New York, London, Chicago, Switzerland, Germany, so it can directly change the person's economy and country's economy. Yes, and another benefit is that we get the exchange of the culture, people, heritage, and their hospitality and their behavior. And apart from that, airport is also very significant for the student who want to go for the higher education, and for the entrepreneur who want to do business for the outside the country, and the person who is interested in the travel industry, they want to explore different country, different city in the world. So airport is not only the place, but it's create a huge impact all over the world. And another reason is that airport is connected globally. Yes, means if we want to talk about globalization, and if we are not talking about the airport, so it is not possible that uh, without the airport globalization is done. And second thing is that when we connect with any country with the airport, we can exchange of the idea, knowledge, goods and service, and this result can impact on the development of the person's country's GDP is increase, economic is increase, and vice versa. We can say that all over the world economy is also increasing. And now I want to give the another example, that for example, if the student want to get the higher education, so he can go means for higher education like London, USA, Chicago, Switzerland, with the help of the airport. Means all over the world is like a small town and a small city, means everyone is connected with each other. And second thing is that about the airport is that means nowadays we have seen that before 90 we have seen that airport is only used for the arrival and departure, and it's simply the traditional method. But now we have seen the modern and marvel creature of the airport. Like I have remembered two to three name. One name is that Switzerland. Zurich airport is very famous for the international uh, airport. I think this is the first airport in the world. And now we should discuss about the name of the airport which is very famous in India is the Bangalore airport, and Mumbai uh, airport is also very famous, Chhatrapati Shivaji terminal. And now new airport is also developed in Guwahati and Jewar airport in Noida. So airport is not a means connecting between means flight from one city to another, but it can also the exchange of the people's thought, means countries idea, knowledge, and we get the mixed culture, so we get lots of advantage from their technology and our technology. And another important perspective of airport is that we can see that before the airport is used in the travel purpose, but now the modern and the airport we can see that there is a lots of retail store is also there, which is directly representative of their countries. For example, in the airport we have seen that, like the international airport, I am talking about the CST Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminal. I have personally visited this airport, and this airport is particularly show the means what type of heritage and culture that India has, and it's demonstrate that, like the means handicraft things that is very famous in India, and it also describe the things like the khadi and like the means traditional sweets and traditional snacks of India like bhujia and namkeen. It also have the multiple type of outlet in international airport, so it can directly increase our economic and it directly increase our sale of product. So we don't consider airport as the simple for only the travel purpose. Now we can see that airport has a vital part in our life. And in the short, I can say that the conclusion is that airport is connection between the country's people, religion, and make the world as a small globe, and it can give an a multiple opportunity for the person who has means big idea on mind. He can implement by using such type of facility of airport via connecting within 1 and 2 hours from one nation to the another. And second thing is that airport is a dream for student who want to go for abroad. He want to get the education, and as far as the businessmen who want to seek the new opportunity, new market, new customer for their businesses, and for the scientists who want to do the research for the new product and service. So overall, airport is a hope for particular person who is interested and who want to grow in the future. And if we look at the statistics of the India in 2000, before 2070, there is only a 120 international and national and domestic airport are there. But after 2026 we have seen that more than 600 airport are established, and it can also create a vital and important and game changing part of our infrastructure. Thank you very much, friend, for giving me a quality time. Now I can discuss all the important and short summary for the airport. So this topic is really help you when you will be prepared for your IELTS exam. Thank you very much.